Well, good morning or good evening, wherever you guys are at the moment. Thank you so much for meeting with us today. We're super, super excited to have this call because we know you guys have been working on some very, very exciting things that we're also very excited to share with everyone today. But before we jump into all the exciting questions and all the million questions that I personally also have, why don't we start with some introductions so people get to know you and who you guys are. So Manish, let's just start with you.
Yeah, thank you, Paula, for inviting me, and excited to be on this call and having this very interesting conversation. I'm Manish Dalal, President and founder of ZK Teco USA. Have been associated with the security industry and biometrics since almost 20 years now in different parts of the world, and very much involved in our product development and enhancing the technology in the physical security space, not only in North America, but throughout the world. So ZK Teco USA is headquartered here in Alpharetta, Georgia, and we have a nationwide distribution network through which we sell our products. And ZK Teco is a global company. We are the world's largest manufacturers of biometric-based data collection devices, primarily used for security and time management. And we have about 4,000 employees with 3 different manufacturing facilities.
Wow, that's a lot of things going on. And
yeah,
and I mean, honestly, if you are in the security industry, especially here in the USA, you know who ZK Teco is and you know who Manish is. So very excited for this call. And I mean, let's who are you? Who's Amit? What are the amazing things that you're getting involved in at the moment?
Yeah, I'm currently teaching at BITS Pilani. I am assistant professor here. Apart from that, I am the founder and CEO of Yushu Excellence Technologies Private Limited, which is another company which is primarily into technical development and training of people. So I have been training and educating since last 12 years, if I can say correctly. And in the initial 8 or 10 years, it was more of my research front, which I was developing more research, and it was research papers that was more into it, but not much output that was seeing in the ground reality. It was more of a limited thing that I was training a limited set of 1,000 students at the BITS Pilani campus. But later on, the last couple of years, I have solidified my vision for making a real impact in the people, for which I have started this organization. Also, I am the certified life coach and a planning healer, which also helps me to impact or improve my teaching as well.
We all know that, especially these days with all the new technology and developments going on, you need to not only know the technology, but as you just said, I mean, really know how to transfer that knowledge to people in a way that doesn't overwhelm them. So speaking of overwhelming, let's just start with a very basic definition. What is blockchain? How would you describe that to someone that has absolutely no idea of what blockchain is?
Manish, you want to go first?
No, again, so whenever anybody talks about blockchain or crypto and distributed ledger, always, or cryptocurrency which is the most widely used application of blockchain comes to mind. And people recently have very bad experience about cryptocurrencies. So they always think it is something which is a fad. It is something which is not regulated. It's not secured and all those stuff. But from me as a businessman, blockchain technology